Muster station. A muster station is a designated location on a ship where crew and passenger gather in case of an emergency like a fire, evacuation, or abandoned ship situations. It's a pre-assigned spot for everyone to report so the crew can take roll call and ensure that everyone is accounted for a safely ready for further instruction or evacuation. B. Procedure in different types of emergencies. 1. Fire alarm. When the fire alarm sound, everyone must immediately proceed to their master station and await further instructions, depending on a severity on the fire. Crew may need to fight the fire using extinguisher or firefighting equipment, while others may prepare to evacuate if necessary. 2. General alarm. The general alarm is a signal for any emergency situation requiring immediate attention. It could be for anything from fire to abandoned ship. When the general alarm rings, crew and passengers should proceed to their master station, listen for instruction, and follow emergency procedures. 3. Abandoned ship alarm. This alarm indicates that the ship is in critical condition, and everyone needs to abandon ship upon hearing this alarm. All crew and passenger must proceed to their master's station, put on life jackets, and prepare to board the lifeboats or life rafts. 4. Man overboard signal. If someone falls overboard, the crew will sound the special man overboard alarm to alert everyone. Crew member will immediately carry out a search and rescue operation to recover the person. The ship may also turn around and slow down to facilitate rescuer. 5. CO2 alarm. This alarm signal that the ship CO2 fire suppression system is activated. If it's a control system release, crew should immediately evacuate the affected area to avoid exposure to the gas, which can be hazardous to health. 6. Engineer call. An engineer call is made to alert the engineer team to an issue in the engine room. When heard, the relevant engineering crew sound quickly attend to the situation. 7. Cargo hold flooding. If there is a flooding incident in the cargo hold, the cargo will assess the situation and try to contain the water. The ship stability will be closely monitored, and if necessary measure will be taken to pump out the water or seal off flooded section. 8. Pollution prevention. In the event of pollution, such as an oil spill, the crew must follow procedure to contain the spill and prevent it from spreading. This, this may involve deploying containment booms, using absorbent, and following legal procedure to report the incident to authorities. 9. Engine room flooding. If flooding occurs in the engine room, quick action is needed to shut down the affected system and prevent further damage. C. Importance of training and drills. Training and drills are crucial because they ensure that crew member and passenger know how to respond effectively in emergencies. Regular practice keeps everyone prepared, helping them stay calm and act quickly when it matters. It is Also ensure that safety equipment is used correctly, emergency roles are clear, and communication is smooth. Without proper training and drills, reaction to emergencies may be slower, leading to confusion and potentially dangerous situation